If you're wondering what a solar power purchase agreement is, how it works, and if it's the right payment option for your situation, you're in the right place. We'll go over each of those points to make sure you have all the information you need to make the right choice for powering your home. So, what is a solar power purchase agreement, sometimes referred to as a PPA? Basically, it's when the homeowner doesn't buy or lease the panels themselves, but instead agrees to purchase the power that's produced by the panels. It's similar to purchasing your electricity from your utility, but now you're purchasing electricity from the solar company whose panels happen to be on your house and at a lower rate than your utility. The homeowner doesn't have to pay for the system, installation, maintenance, repair, or removal. They just pay for the power produced. If easy savings on your electricity bill sounds good to you, let's get into how PPA really works. First, the solar company comes to your property and installs the solar panels. They take care of all the cost and hassle of putting them in, including pulling city permits and working with your utility to get your system approved. Once installed and given permission to operate, your house will run off the power produced by the solar panels during the day, then switch over to utility power at night or anytime there isn't sufficient sun. You buy the electricity generated by these panels at a fixed rate that is often lower than what you'd pay your utility company, so you save money. The company that installed the panels is responsible for maintaining them. You don't have to worry about any repairs or upkeep. You sign a contract usually lasting up to 25 years. During this time, you enjoy the benefits of solar energy without having to worry about the panels themselves. Now, here are a few things to consider when deciding if a solar PPA is right for you. The first is upfront cost. If you don't have the money to pay for a solar system upfront, a PPA can be a great option because it usually requires little to no initial investment. Next is energy cost savings. Take a look at your current electricity bill and compare it to the rates offered in the PPA. If the PPA rates are lower, you'll save money over time. Another really important consideration is to make sure your property gets enough sunlight and has the right space for solar panels. August Roofing and Solar can easily assess this for you with the use of satellite imagery. Simply schedule a risk-free consultation with one of our project consultants at augustroofing.com. The last consideration is the long-term commitment. Knowing how long you plan to stay in your current home and what options you have at the end of the agreement, like buying the system or extending the contract, can help you determine what's best for you. In the end, Solar PPA is perfect for those who want solar savings without the upfront cost, prefer predictable electricity costs, and are comfortable with a long-term contract. At August Roofing and Solar, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Contact us today for a free consultation and find out how you can save with solar.